Hey there!
I'm Charlie. I'm Mae.
And I'm Greg, and today we're planting French fries.
I thought we were planting potatoes.
We are planting potatoes.
Oh yeah, fries are potatoes.
Well, we're planting French fries, but French fries are potatoes. And to plant potatoes, you need seed potatoes. See there? That's a seed potato. But the difference between that potato and the potato that you buy in the store is the one in the store has been sprayed and treated with an anti-sprouting chemical on there. So you want to use seed potatoes, and also when you plant seed potatoes, you know what variety you're planting. See, y'all see those little sprouts right there?
Yeah.
You know what those are called?
What?
Eyes. And that's what we're going to plant. So we got to cut these eyes out so that we can plant those. Now that potato right there, when it didn't have the eye sprouting, all you seen was these little indentions, and it didn't look like much. But every little eye has a sprout.
I thought potatoes look prettier than that.
Well, these haven't been washed.
Yeah, like the ones in the store have.
They do, because they've been washed. But you don't wash seed potatoes. You leave the dirt on them, because if you wash them, they don't last as long. And they'll rot a lot quicker. So we take those eyes and we're going to cut them out. See there? Just like this right here.
Okay.
Just like that. So you can get a bunch off of one potato.
Are they good?
They are good. See there? What's that right there? An eye. So we go through there and we cut them all the eyes out so we'll have something to plant.
Do you eat the eyes? No.
You don't eat the eyes, we're planting the eyes. That's what's going to grow the potato plant that's going to make the French fries. So look at there. Out of one potato, and I got that left over right there. Out of one potato, let's see how many we got. Can y'all girls count with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, as I drop them, count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. So we got 7 potato plants out of one potato. How about that? So you do that, and then you let them sit for a few days and let them heal over. Well, just a few days ago, I went out there and went ahead and cut us some up. And then they healed over. See how they kind of scabbed over right there?
Yeah.
Now they're ready to plant. Now most of these that I cut up have got 2 or 3 eyes on there. You only need 1 eye, but I always like to have a backup eye or 2, so I cut them in little bigger chunks. And normally speaking, you want 5 pounds of seed potatoes per 25 foot of row. So if you're going to plant 25 foot of seed potatoes, you would need around 5 pounds. Cool. Now y'all ready to let's do it? So we got our complete organic fertilizer in the little fur out there. And I didn't want to tell you girls, but it's actually chicken poop. Did y'all know that? But y'all did good. But what you would want to do is after you get through putting this out, if you got gloves on, you're okay. But if you didn't have gloves on, you need to wash your hands good. Okay? But chicken poop is good food for potatoes. You didn't know that, did you? Now you do. All right, you remember those plows when we made that furrow where y'all planted potatoes? So I just took these plows off and switched them around. And now what we're going to do is cover those potatoes up. We call that healing.
Healing.
H-I-L-L-I-N-G. Healing. You got that?
Healing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So we got our French fries planted. We planted about 60 feet of the big Yukon Golds, and we planted about 60 feet of the German Butterballs. And y'all girls did a great job. How'd you like the way I covered them up?
It was cool.
It was pretty.
The way you covered it up.
It was pretty quick too, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have plenty of French fries. We're gonna have plenty of roasted potatoes, and you girls can go back and tell all your friends that you're growing some French fries.
Okay.
And you told me earlier that your dad wanted to plant some potatoes in his garden. Is that right? So y'all can go back. Now you know how to do it, and now when your dad starts doing that, you can stop him and tell him, no, that's not the way it's supposed to be done, because both of y'all know exactly how you're supposed to plant potatoes, don't you?
Yeah.
What you think?
That's cool.
That's cool.
Hey, I'm Charlie.
Hold on.
Hey, my name is Charlie. What? They come up looking like French fries. Mama, Mapper's holding chicken poop. It's fertilizer.
It's been sprayed and treated with an
You're doing it all wrong. Nice line of potatoes.